Oh, yeah, look at that.
It smells nice and garlicky and buttery. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look how nice that is.
Hey, cookers. Today, we're cooking salmon, a very simple salmon. I'm not a salmon eater, but Karin loves salmon. And she learned to cook salmon from her Bubbe, and this is her Bubbe's recipe. Have fun, Karin.
Thank you. So, hello everybody. As Jill mentioned, this is my Bubbe's simple recipe. For those of you out there who don't know what a Bubbe is a grandmother. So, Bubbe is Yiddish for grandmother, and she was the best one ever. Okay, so what we're going to do here now is very simple. Okay, all you need is a little garlic, a little salt, and some butter. So first we're going to take our garlic, and we're going to season our fish. Now you don't want to over-season it, because you don't want to bite into a mouthful of garlic. I enjoy garlic, but I don't want to feel like I just ate like a whole field of it. So you put a little garlic. Now we're going to put a little bit of salt. I'm using a salt grinder here because I like the freshly ground business. So there's that. And now we're going to take some butter. And this is where you have to be a little careful, because you're going to take your butter and you're going to put little pats all across it. And what's going to happen is, as the fish cooks, this butter is going to melt all the way across this nice piece of fish. When you take it out, it's going to have a little crust on it. So it's going to be absolutely delicious. Okay, so it's pretty simple. It may seem a little tedious, but I assure you it's worth it. There we are. We're almost done here. Okay, now fish should not be cooked undercooked, as it were. Fish should be done pretty well through. But you don't want to cook salmon so well through that it's just dry. If you go past a certain point, you don't want it. Like everything else. Okay? But especially with fish, you should have it a little on the well done side. Okay? So our fish is now buttered, and we are ready to put it in a 350-degree oven. As you can see, I have my little emerald oven going here for half an hour. So this piece is approximately a pound and a half, somewhere around there. And it should take about 30 minutes. So thank you for watching, and I will see you again in 30 minutes. Hi, we're back. So 30 minutes has come and gone. And now we're going to check our fish. So I have my handy dandy little silicone hand protectors. Oven mitts, I guess they're.
Thingamajigs, doohickeys.
That's the ones. All right. Oh, now look at that. See, now that butter has melted down.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
It smells nice and garlicky and buttery. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to get this beautiful little piece of fish here onto the plate. Now,
I asked you if you wanted to spray that.
I don't like to spray it, because if you spray it, and sometimes the fish just picks up the taste of the spray, and I never care for that. So, my Bubbe never sprayed a fish in her life. There we go. All right.
All right, is that done?
Oh, this is done. I'm going to find out right here, right now. So, you want your fish. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful.
All right, so let's turn it so people can see it. Let me take a picture of that.
I can eat now?
You can eat now.
Okay. The moment I've been waiting for. Oh, look how nice that is.
You know, that looks good, but
what?
I've just never really cared for the taste of salmon.
You sure we can't interest you in
Look
a
how
little
tender
taste?
and juicy that is, though. Just flaky and...
Oh, delicious.
Hold on. I'm going to be brave. I'm going to be brave, because I do not enjoy salmon. Have you ever seen me eat salmon?
No, ma'am. Not in 4+ years. She doesn't like it.
There are reasons why I don't eat salmon.
And you just rediscovered each and every one of them, didn't you? Absolutely delicious.
So I had a friend ask me to cook some fish.
You're having a friend?
And Patsy, this is for you. You asked me to cook fish. And I knew that Karin loved salmon, so I'm cooking, or Karin cooked salmon. So
It's good.
good. I hope you enjoy the salmon. There'll be a playlist of other fun dinners that we have here. Feel free to click on it. Y'all have fun.
Good night. It's a shame you don't like fish.